Welcome to this in-depth review of the Redragon K668 RGB gaming keyboard. In today's video, we will explore the key features of this mechanical keyboard, its performance, and how it stands out among its competitors. Designed for both gamers and professionals, this wired, full-size keyboard offers a fantastic balance of aesthetics, customization, and performance. Starting with its design, the keyboard features 108 keys including extra 4 hotkeys, which means that not only do you get a reliable 104-key anti-ghosting layout, but these extra shortcut keys add a level of convenience and practicality for both gaming and daily work. The build quality is robust, and the ergonomic design is another major plus. Thanks to the 2-stage adjustable feet, you can customize the typing angle for maximum comfort, reducing wrist strain during prolonged usage. One of the most impressive aspects of the K668 is its hot-swappable red switches. These quiet, basic, linear mechanical switches offer an exceptionally smooth keystroke with soft key travel. The option to swap these switches with nearly every major 3-pin or 5-pin option on the market gives you the freedom to tailor the typing experience to your personal preference. The inclusion of 3.5mm sound-absorbing foam further refines the product by delivering a clear and crisp typing sound without any unwanted noise. Moving on to lighting, the Redragon K668 doesn't hold back. It features vibrant RGB backlighting with up to 19 preset modes. The ability to adjust both brightness and flow speed directly on board, and the addition of a music sync mode transforms your setup into an immersive lighting experience that can easily accompany your gaming sessions or productivity hours. The mixed color keycaps not only enhance the visual appeal, but also add an element of DIY customization for those who enjoy a personalized touch on their keyboards. In terms of performance, many users find that the clear, responsive keys and customizable macros lead to a more effective gaming and working experience. The supportive software allows you to design new lighting modes and effects, remap keys, and create custom shortcuts to maximize productivity. However, some users note that the keyboard's wired nature might restrict mobility, and while the red switches are ideal for fast-paced actions, they may not suit every typing preference, especially if you favor tactile feedback. When compared to similar products on the market, the Redragon K668 holds its own due to its versatility, extensive customization options, and competitive pricing. For users seeking a high-performance gaming keyboard with an ergonomic twist, this could be a great fit. To get the most out of the K668, experiment with the software configurations and make sure to fine-tune the macros and lighting to truly match your workflow and gaming style. Overall, I highly recommend this keyboard to gamers, professionals, and tech enthusiasts seeking both style and substance in their setup. Thank you for watching, and hello to all our viewers.